Chaos variety, Lord of Mischief. Whoa, wow. This is an amazing knife. And if you've never seen this before, you probably haven't, because there's only 200 ever made, and I have one of those in my hand right now. So that's the box it comes with. And for those who are interested in this, when you see this video, just come out. There's going to be a link if you are interested, and you can buy this right now in my eBay shop. But for those of you who are still on the fence and are thinking, it's going to be sold out pretty quick because there's so few of them. Now let's talk about this Lord of Mischief, why you should actually get this, and why this thing is just amazing. This gives me the vibe of the 1900s or the 1800s, like this interesting looking green color. This is like, reminds me of the sea, like ocean. That has the whole vibe to this, and the whole entire thing about gold with blue with this beautiful jewel all together. Just the whole entire looks of this reminds me of this thing from ancient times, and it's just a beauty in every sense of the way. As you can see, this shines amazing, like really, really nice. And the action on this is just flawless execution, like super flawless. It opens up really good. And then of course when you put your hand here, it is perfect. They should have really made much more of those knives than just 200 of them, just because the action is just so good. Sometimes they make a really nice knife and then they, hey, let's just make 200 of those. Well, they should have made 2,000 of those, because this is a really nice addition. What I like about Kizer, they sometimes make the most interesting looking, unique knives out there. One of my favorite is the drop barrel. Once you go drop barrel, you never go back. And then you're like, okay, what else do they have that is so nice? And this is one of those. It just came out. It's nice and fresh. Looks really slick. And it has a rapid deployment clip right here. You press it down. Super fast action. There is a second way for you to open this. For those of you who don't like the rapid movement, just grab it and open it up. That's it. Now to close it up, of course, for those of you who don't know how to close it, it's pretty simple. Just move it like this. Really simple. Simple, unique mechanism. And a carry clip, gold, kind of a color to this. It's a little bit different than the one over here, but it looks so nice. Everybody will be so jealous because you'll be the only one on the block, only one out of 200 people who has this knife. That's what I'm talking about. You want to be exclusive, you want to be different, you want to especially have something no one else has. And it has very nice choke point right here too. You can get very close to the action in case you need to. It looks really slick. I mean, think about it this way. How many other people have a knife that look like this? And the name of it is just nice. I really wish they made more like this. And this one is, I'm going to have so much hard time partying with this knife because I like it so much. And I'm myself on the fence about selling it too. I was like, hey, should I add this to my collection? Or should I just let it go and get more knives? Once you start into this collecting thing about collecting knives, you understand the whole point. It's a lifestyle. It's fun. And you will totally enjoy this knife. It is just a beauty in every sense of the way.